And here we go on the Spirit of
Welcome
London.
to the Spirit of London. Of London, of London, of London. You are now going back 400 years to the London of Queen Elizabeth I. The rats brought the horror of the Great Plague, and with it, death. The King of England's baker, who let the bread burn, has been blamed for the Great Fire of London. By order of His Majesty King Charles II, Sir Christopher Wren was given the task of rebuilding St. Paul's. This time, London was built in stone.
Oh, we're going
From the
downhill.
ruins of the fire, a new cathedral arose to fill the sky with glory. Ever since the Battle of Trafalgar, Lord Nelson has kept one eye on these celebrations. Queen Victoria ruled for over 60 years, giving her name the Victorian Age. The Spirit of London was immortalised by Charles Dickens. London, heart of the empire, stood firm against the assault of 2 world wars.
The Londoners have withstood with fortitude the onslaught from the sky. The assault upon them had been deadly and not infrequent, but from the ruins of 1,000 blasted homes, the Spirit of London flies.
Take your photo. Oi, oi, oi! I'm about to take your photo.
Police agents, I am patrol affair is arranged. Moving,
England were 54 for 6. These are the sights, the sounds, the colours, and the joy of the Spirit of London. He's on his own! He's ready for me! He's a shoot! That bar is now about to raise. to take all your personal belongings with you. Goodbye, and thank you.
And that was the Spirit of London.